Hey guys, I've been trying to find a solution for my HP dv7 laptop, and what's been going on is the screen has been flickering when I push it down. Push it all the way down back like that. What happened is I tore it apart, and this little wire right here is rubbing on the nut, and right there's a short, well, not a short, but a bare wire that's getting grounded out and causing it to flicker. So all you do is take this panel off, just slide behind the cracks of it, and right here there's a couple screws covered by this little tab. It's a little bit of a pain to get off, but just be careful and don't crack it. And you get to the wire, and it will be tucked under here, under this hinge plate. Just take two screws out of there and pull it out, and I'm going to duct tape it up. Not duct tape, but black tape. That's about it. I also had problems with my webcam. Once in a while it doesn't want to work. That's it right there, that black dot. There's this plug-in right there, and that keeps coming unplugged. I travel a lot, and laptop gets a little bit of abuse in the bag. So pretty much all you gotta do is just push that back up in there. It'll still work. I think what I'm gonna do is put a dab of super glue on it so that it doesn't come out. But there's a couple little tricks to this dv7 problems. Thanks for watching. Bye.